A dynamic new revolution in power is now yours with TurboJack. TurboJack, powered by existing backhoe hydraulics, turns an ordinary backhoe into one of the most versatile and powerful pieces of equipment in the construction industry today. With TurboJack, you become the leader over your competition with substantial savings in time, money, and manpower. At the touch of a button, you're in command with TurboJack, giving your bucket concentrated high-frequency pulse power. TurboJack enables you to easily excavate and cut through rock, concrete, coral, asphalt, or frozen ground in a very short time. With TurboJack, you can also use your bucket to dosate and compact backfill, drive posts, remove stumps, and screen material. TurboJack also handles sticky asphalt and mud with ease. When a standard backhoe encounters unexpected buried rock or concrete, you can pound away for hours and still have little or nothing to show for your frustrating and exhausting work. How many times have you experienced an equipment change in either freezing or scorching weather or the unexpected rental expense of additional equipment? It's a big waste of your time and money.
Do you want to end all that needless frustration and waste? The concentrated pulse power of TurboJack is your answer.
Simply replace the static link between the curl cylinder and the bucket with the professional new TurboJack pulse power unit. TurboJack easily connects to your backhoe's existing hydraulic system. A start-stop button and impact frequency control puts you in command of the dynamic TurboJack power system. Professional TurboJack installation on your existing backhoe takes less than a day.
The revolutionary TurboJack pulse power system gives your bucket frequency-controlled jackhammer action to break through hard materials in no time. TurboJack converts your ordinary bucket into one of the most versatile pieces of professional equipment in today's construction industry.
Refilling trenches, dosating, and slope compacting are fast and easy with TurboJack. Driving posts and stakes are just as easy. Also, with TurboJack, you can use your backhoe bucket to loosen and remove tree stumps and roots without frustration.
TurboJack even allows you to screen dirt with your bucket, separating materials quickly and efficiently. TurboJack makes your trenching, driving, and filling work easy and professional. Recently, on the proving grounds of a major European backhoe manufacturer, construction industry leaders tested TurboJack equipment.
Trench width through the concrete, 420 millimeters, 400 millimeters, 450 millimeters. Concrete depth. About 150 millimeters. This is to follow on the trench without Cyrex. We'll see whether the machine can penetrate the concrete. After 6 minutes, the machine has scraped a length about similar to what the Cyrex machine has actually dug, and has basically gone down bucket tooth depth.
Here's what Arizona engineering test technician David Hickson has to say about the benefits of TurboJack.
Okay, one of the advantages I see with TurboJack would be the excessive jackhammering action that would be on the backhoe's main boom. When you come in, as an operator is coming into some hard digging or something, there's a strong tendency to sit there and lift the whole boom and jackhammer type effect on the bucket. With the TurboJack, you wouldn't have to do that, and it wouldn't matter what size bucket would be on there. If you're digging a wide trench or a narrow rock trench or whatever the width of the trench may be, it's adaptable to every bucket configuration that you can come upon. And that is an advantage to relieve stress in the main boom. As you well know, the cost of re-welding a main boom is excessive, and some of the newer designs of backhoes are ductile iron, which cannot be welded. So once you split that due to jackhammering the whole backhoe, it is a totally failed unit. Another thing is when you're compacting between two buildings, you can't get a skid steer or anything else in there to backfill your trench. You can use a TurboJack to compact the backfill on your trench. Also, it does not impede your visibility of what you're going after either. It's all in conformation with the dipper on a backhoe. Also, the advantage here is if you had an area where you required a roto hammer or some kind of hammer, you wouldn't have to move your unit. One unit stays in the trench and works continuously. A lot of operations, you have to pull one unit out and put another one in, or have one unit straddle the trench and keep up with the other one to go in there and hammer out the material. Here in the Southwest, the rocking formation that you're talking about is caliche. And here again, if it's bad enough, they will have to put a scarf tip on or take the bucket off and put a frost point on, or sit there, the operator will sit there and jackhammer with the whole backhoe. There again, as we mentioned earlier, that it's hard on the main boom on a backhoe. And so here, caliche is one of the most adversive type rock formations you're going to find. Some people say it's on the fringes of hell.
What does all this mean to your bottom line?
TurboJack saves you money by allowing you to trench faster, eliminating breaker and compactor attachment changeovers. TurboJack uses your regular bucket to do everything. TurboJack does not harm your backhoe in any way. It is actually less stressful than changing to other attachments, so your backhoe will last longer and need less servicing.
This glass of water placed on the backhoe fender dramatically illustrates just how smooth the TurboJack unit operates using the highest to lowest pulse power frequencies.
With TurboJack, it takes less employees to do the job because there's no extra labor required for changeover time. This results in savings of up to $2,000 or more a week from downtime, employee expenses, and equipment rental. For a small investment that is less than the cost of the average breaker, TurboJack will increase the productivity of your workers and ensure their safety.
TurboJack is manufactured with high-quality control in the United States. There's a 5-year warranty on the heart of the durable pulse generating system. Just attach TurboJack and forget it. World-renowned precision German engineering excellence and the finest steel and brass materials combine to make Cyrex the highest quality pulse hydraulic product in the international construction industry today.